guys, welcome to Javata. Today I will show you how to create a login form in javafx, and after that I will show you how to connect with the Oracle database and fetch the data and login from that database. So right here we can see the sample form here. I've created it before on javafx, so you can see the sample GUI, and today I'm going to start a new project and show you how to create a application form application, right? And giving as a name as login form. After that, so you can see the bunch of code that has already generated automatically, so we don't need that anymore because we are going to give our own code. And for that, public static void main static method, I am so keeping it up for my own convenience, and I'm going to define stage window. And in the start menu, window is equal to primary stage. Alright, and window dot set title, so that will give the title of the window like login form window. So after that, let's make a grid pane. It is a layout that work on column and row, bunch of column and row like a table, and I'll show you how it works later. Grid pane. Alright, let's import that, and then grid dot set alignment, that position dot center on the center. Grid dot set b gap from the vertical, and grid dot set as gap, and from horizontal 10 point space. So after that, grid dot set padding new insets inserts value 10. So 10 from the top, 10 from the bottom, 10 from the left, and 10 from the right. So import that also. After that, we're going to create a text, txt text, welcome text is equal to new text, and given as the name as welcome. Alright, so let's import that also. Import, and then welcome text dot set font dot font font, and then giving the name Tahoma font dot light, and I don't need this. I'm going to give a size here like 25 point. So let's add that on the grid pane. Grid dot add, and the node will be welcome txt text, and the row and column index will be 0 0 initially. So let's see the sample code. So we have created a welcome. So label user user is equal to new one as an label user name. Alright, so let's import that also, and I'll import all the control method. Control dot asterisk will import all the control method. Alright, so I'm going to add that on the prepend lbl user, and then column index will be 0 and row index will be 1 because we are going to give that name on the new line. After that, we are going to create a text field. For that, for getting the input from the user on the username, txt user is equal to new txt field and nothing inside. After that, txt user dot set prompt text prompt text, and that will give some prompt text like username. Alright, so add that also on the grid pane, and txt user, so it will be on the right side. So I have to add that column, and that row index will be 1 by 1. Alright, so for the Next, password and password field. I'm going to copy that and label as password. I'm typing here password password, and right here lbl password, and the column index will be 0 and the row index will be 2 for the new line. And after that, we don't need the text field. We are going to type there as a password field, password password field. After that, right here also password field, and when the text user not, we are going to give a txt password password. So right here txt password, and here also password password, and that grid dot add right here txt, oh sorry, right here we have to pw password box, because it's a password field, right? Password field, and right here pw box, and then row index will be column index will be 1 and the row index will be 2, because we are going on the new line. After that, we are going to need a button, like a login button or a sign in button, you can see here. And for that, we're going to create a new button, login btn is equal to new button button login. I'm going to add that on the grid dot add. So login login button. So the column index will be 1 and the row index will be 3. So it will be on the third line. So, and I'm going to add that all on the scene. Scene is equal to new scene, and I'm going to give that grid and then size as a 500, 500. Alright, so window dot scene for the visibility, and window dot. So this is all about the login application. So let's run it. Let's see. So here is our login form. So in this code, I have login form window as an title, and the grid pane that will place our screen on the middle, because we have given as center. And after that, this one. After that, label username, password, and then prompt text means username. So you can see here, after when I click, that will be invisible. So button is right here, login button. So when I press login, nothing happens. For that, you can use our lambda expression, or like let me see that login button right here. So login btn button, login button dot set on action method. So that will create an action and event handling. Right, when I click that button, what we want to do, right? I want to do system dot out dot print line login button pressed. So after when I click that button in my console window, that will display as a login button pressed. So let's see, and I'm running it. So giving some name, giving some password, and see login button press, login button press. So that was for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any queries, you can comment me below. And this was for today.